Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss a topic of class 9th, that is linear equations in two variables. Okay, so you might have already read about linear equation in one variable, that is an equation which is in the form of ax plus b is equals to 0 is called as a linear equation in one variable. Okay, so this linear equation will have a solution, that is ax is equals to minus b and x is equals to minus b by a is called as the solution of this linear equation. And in this linear equation, the value of a should not be equals to 0. Okay, so this is a linear equation and here a is not equals to 0, right? A and b can be any real numbers. Okay, if you wanted to find out the solution of this linear equation in one variable, that is ax is equals to minus b, x is equals to minus b by a. Okay, this is already we have discussed in the last class. Now let us learn about linear equation in two variables. So an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is called as a linear equation in two variables. Here x and y are two variables. X and y are two variables and a comma b comma c are real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers. So for this linear equations, let us check an example of this linear equation, that is an equation that is in the form of 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0 is called as a linear equation in two variables. And let us also consider one more, that is 3y plus 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. This is also linear equation in two variables. Okay, so now let us write the coefficients of them, right? Suppose let us consider an expression as equation as 6x plus 7y plus 6 is equals to 0. So in this linear equation in two variables, the coefficient of x here is, okay, here we need to compare this equation with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so this equation should be compared with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, which is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. So when I compare, I will get the a value as 6, b value as 7 and c value as 6. Okay, now let us see one more example. 7x plus 4 by 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. So now find a, b, c from this linear equation in two variables. So first it should be compared with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then after comparing, you have to just write the coefficient whatever you have beside x, that will become a. So while comparing the coefficients, you need to check the symbols of the expression also, that is b here is 4 by 3 and c here you have plus c and here it is minus 6. So c value will become minus 6. So this is how we write the values of a, b, c from the using this linear equations. Now let us start exercise 4.1 of this chapter, that is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Okay, so here first we have to get two variables, right? What are those? We have a cost of a notebook and cost of a pen. So first we have to assume that let the cost of the notebook be x. Cost of the notebook be x. Okay, and cost of the pen be y. So initially we have to assume the given question and we have to find what are the variables in that. Okay, so now what is the condition given to us? The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of the pen. So that is cost of a notebook is x, which is equals to twice means 2 times. twice the cost of the pen. So x is equals to 2y. Now shift this term here, then it will become x minus 2y is equals to 0. So this is the representation of this question in two variables. So therefore the required equation is, that is x minus 2y is equals to 0. Now let us start the second problem of this exercise, that is express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, right? This is nothing but the standard form, and we have to indicate the values of a comma b comma c in each case. Okay, so the first question is 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35 bar. So first we have to get this in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So we can get it by shifting this term to the left hand side, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 9.35. This is the given equation. Now shift this 9.35 bar to the left hand side, then this equation will become as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equals to 0. So this is the standard form, right? Compare with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then in the place of a, I have, by comparing a value I will get it as 2, and b value I will be getting it as 3, and c value is minus 9.35 bar. Okay, because here we have a plus c and here we have a minus, hence the value will become minus c, minus value of 9.35 bar. So this is the solution, and these are the values of a, b, c. Okay, now let us see the second problem, that is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. So you can write this as x minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 is equals to 0, right? I have written y by 5 as 1 by 5. Okay, now compare it with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then on comparing we will get a value as 1, b value as minus 1 by 5 and c value as minus 10. Okay, now the third problem, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Now here this is not in the proper form, right? First let us write the given expression, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Shift this 6 here, then it will become minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. Now this is in the standard form, that is x, y and a constant variable we have. So now compare it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. On comparing we will get a value as minus 2, b value as 3 and a c value as minus 6. Okay. Now the fourth bit of this problem, that is x is equals to 3y. So here get this y term here. First let us consider the given equation, that is x is equals to 3y. Now shift this y term here, then we will have x minus 3y is equals to 0. Now we have to compare it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So on comparing what we will get, a value will become 1 and b value will become minus 3 and c term is not there, hence the value of c will become 0. So whenever you are not having the c term, that term will become 0. If I don't have a y term, then y will become, that is b will become 0, right? Now the next question is 2x is equals to minus 5y. First step, get it to the left hand side. Consider the given equation as 2x is equals to minus 5y. Then 2x plus 5y is equals to 0. Now compare it with the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. By comparing what you will get? By comparing we will get it as, by comparing the value of a will become 2, the value of b will become 5 and the value of c will become 0 because we don't have any c term there. And now sixth problem, that is 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So now consider the given equation, 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 and compare it with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here very clearly you can see that we don't have a y term. Okay, then you can write this as 3x plus 0 into y plus 2 is equals to 0. So as I don't have a b value, then the y term I am writing it as 0 into y. Now on comparing, the value of a will become 3, value of b will become 0 and the value of c will become 2. Now let us start the 7th bit of this problem, that is y minus 2 is equals to 0. First let us consider the given, that is y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now arrange this in the form of a standard equation, that is 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now on comparing with the standard equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we will get a value as 0, b value as 1 as well as c value as minus 2. Okay. Now the last bit of this problem, that is 5 is equals to 2x. So the given equation is 5 is equals to 2x. Now shift this 5 that side, then it will become 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Here we don't have a y term, so you can write this as 2x plus 0 into y minus 5 is equals to 0. On comparing with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, the value of a will become 2, the value of b will become 0 and the value of c will become minus 5. So this is how we find the values of a, b, c from the given linear equation.